Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing these Nicole Diary Chameleon polishes. It's from their Wonderworld series. I've got these two colours that go absolutely perfectly together. There are 6 polishes in this collection. This is polish 3 and 4. But I just love how you've got like the chameleon look, and then you can have like the same chameleon look but with the flakies. So you are going to need to apply this over a dark base. So I've applied 2 coats of black polish and cured. But just look at that colour shift, isn't it just gorgeous? And then you apply that over your nail like so and allow it to dry. So all it's bringing up at the moment in this light is the purple, but it does change to like a greeny colour as well. So I'm just applying the second coat now. But it is really sort of breathtaking. So I went into a different light so you can see that colour change even more. And then this is the other polish. I mean, just look at those flakies. Don't you want to just dive right in there? Absolutely stunning. So again, applying it over a black base, and I did 2 coats with this as well. You can apply up to 3 coats if you want to, but I just felt like 2 coats was more than enough. There you go. How beautiful does that look? And again, I'm just showing you in a different light so you can see that colour change. I will show you shots outside as well, which really do show you how amazing this set is. And then I'm finishing it off with a gel top coat. So I just have to hold my hands up here with the flaky ones, those bumpy bits that you can see. That's my fault. I was impatient. I didn't wait for the polish to dry properly, obviously. So when I put it underneath the lamp, it wrinkled, but that's not a defect in the polish at all. That's just a defect in me. So that's it for today, Jelly Babes. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.